Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and whoever has joined me for the first time, welcome to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, so thanks for coming back and watching the update. I'm trading with some broker here, and I've been trading over the past holiday days, the weekend, and as you know, the forex market is closed on Friday evening, and now everything is returned to normal. I did place some Bitcoin trades with my new account with this broker. I do have some trades open, but we're going to look at the ones I've closed, and we're going to look at that. Bitcoin has been a little bit tricky now for the last some time. Now I should change this to 1 week one, no, 1 day one. Okay. So we can see the price has been high for this year, sometime around June, you know. So this was a peak point in June. Now we're coming down, it's sliding down, but I predict it's gonna go slightly up again, most likely, or it might be coming down. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it looks like now. I think it's sliding down now. That's okay. I have some trades open with Bitcoin. It has given me some pain, but that's the name of the game. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the one I have now. This one I have open. Okay, this one I have open at the moment, and this one I have closed. Okay, so I want to look at this trade first. So this trade I took on the 1st December, 12 o'clock. So I just want to find the chart here. Now this was a sell trade. So you know, I think most of my trades now for Bitcoin should be downwards, because even though there's actually pretty positive news coming out for Bitcoin all the time. Let's look at some economic calendar. There are two economic calendars which you can use through the website. I have links there. You can go to free charts and news. I should maybe separate it and call it news. So anyway, so if you look at the first economic calendar for this one, this is from I think it's from TradingView, and the other one is from investing.com. So they're both there, easy to find, no other distractions. So that's what I like about this one. So I can change this to current time minus. We'll do this London time +1. Let's do that. So you can go in filters there, and you can select the countries that you want to select. Okay, so the thing is, with Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not directly connected to any currency per se. And that's one of the nightmares of people dealing with crypto do have, that there's no direct relationship with the currencies and things. Bitcoin has its own, agenda and speculation, and I was getting some positive news about Bitcoin, that 25,000 companies have signed up in China to start using Bitcoins. But you know, maybe if the things are not reliable, then it can be a problematic. So anywho, so it looks like the Bitcoin is gonna go down. As you can see, my P&L is looking a little bit scary at the moment. It's in red overall. Some of the trades I have in there are positive, but they're really tiny. I should close off the Bitcoins one. They're the ones it's pulling my P&L down. But nevertheless, I think I need to close off the buy Bitcoin and go with sell. But this was a sell trade. You can see I did a trade there on the 1st December at 12 o'clock. We go there. Yes, 12, somewhere about here. Okay, so this was the price at 338, 338. and now it was closed off automatically. This was an automatic take profit, and this was on the second day, so it's gonna be going forward. Yeah, now, yes, and it was closed off 8 in the morning while I was sleeping. So now go more, go more, go more, and here, aha, so it looks like it was closed off just like 2 hours ago, because this time was 8 and now it's about 10, so about 2 hours ago. So it was closed off, and that's one thing I like about take profit, TP, is that it can close off the trade, because what can happen is that, let's say the price, let's say you don't have take profit and stop loss set, okay? What can happen is that you're not on the computer or your mobile phone, or you're outside, and you know, we cannot constantly look at it. So that's the great thing about take profit. Now I don't set loss, and that can I know it can so let's say if I have a trade for 50 euro or dollars and I don't have set loss, I can lose all of that 50 euro and $50, and that's happened to me on this account. I will show you in my follow-up video, where I will show you some of the negative losses. But what's great about not setting a stop loss is that, let's say you have a trade for $50. Let's just suppose this is $100. Let's say I have this. I don't have. You can see I don't have stop loss, right? Why I don't like to have a stop loss is because, let's say you, the price is now whatever, right? But your position will continue to be open. Now this is very important, okay? Your position will continue to be open until you lose all of that 100 euros. That's a good thing and that's a bad thing. Why? It's a bad thing because you can lose all your money. You can lose all your 100 euros, right? That's bad. But what's good about this is, let's say the price touches till 90 loss, okay? So you're like minus 90 on this trade, and then it bounces up or down, whichever direction, and it goes the direction that you predicted, and then you go back into profit and it will hit that TP line, and bam, you've made a profit. And if you had set stop loss, say 10%, 20%, 30%, 50 points, 10 points, you've lost money. You've lost money big time, because you had to pay commission on the broker. You had to spend time to open that trade. You had to start taking a new risk. All of that is wiped out. So I think, well, this is how I trade, okay? Everybody have their own trading strategy. And sometimes different strategies work for different instruments on the internet. Okay, so this was my lovely €5 profit. I really like small profits, small investment, small profits. Okay, in my next video, I'm also gonna show you my Telegram group. I have 2 groups. One is forex signals group, and one is Telegram crypto group. In these groups we get professional signals coming from after having news analyzed, after having MACD indicators analyzed, stock indicators analyzed, moving averages analyzed, trends seen by computers. So these are very high quality signals, and I use them for my trade. Then before using them, now this is also important, I also look at the news. I don't blind trade. So I have these 2 great groups with very high quality signals. Whenever I get a signal for, let's say, Euro USD, it tells me, first of all, it's time to trade. I go look at the Euro USD, look at the signal, and see whether I should go with that or not. Okay, so it's a very good way to stay on top. These 2 signals, they're up for joining. There's a joining fee. I will leave the link below in the video. And also, as you already know, I do have a foundation course for trading, and So that link is also in the video. So this is the €5 profit. I really like small investments, small profits on continued basis. Okay, so this is an open trade now. Okay, so what happened here? I've spent €100 and I need to close this trade very quickly because I was up to €2 or €2 profit before I started the video, and I didn't close it because I wanted to just you know, close it live in front of you. It's very nice. What's happening here? So I've got a trade open on the 1st December, okay, at 1 o'clock. So where is this now? Let's find the date. I should find the 1 hour trade, 1 hour chart, and I'm gonna zoom in here. It's similar time to opening that one, and this is a sell trade because I think the Bitcoin is going down now. Okay, for the moment it will come back up. So it's at 1st of December at 1 o'clock. This is 1 o'clock, so it was about 7.3 where is it? Okay, it's 7.375. okay, did I sell trade? Okay, and for €100 now, you can see I haven't used multiplier on that. I've only set to 1 par value, not using extra risk. And then now it's currently at somewhere about, where is it now? The current price for Bitcoin. Okay, let's just look at that now. Okay, Bitcoins, there you are. 7225. 7225. We are here. Okay, 7225. Yeah, it's the blue line. Okay, we are here, and now it's gaining me about 80 cents profit, which is less than 1% profit, but I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to close this. See, I had this take profit for 50. This is completely wrong, guys. This is completely wrong. When I opened the trade, I was not awake. This should have been 1. Okay, all right, because that's the minimum you can set. If I do it 0.5, it's not going to go, because that's how this broker roll. Okay, it wants you to take minimum. Oh, it has to be more than the current profit, or so. Okay, let's say 0.9. It's not gonna let me do that because it's minimum 1, and that's very tricky from broker sides. Okay, this is one of the tricks that brokers do to let you not making a profit. So that means you have to close this at manually by yourself, because unless and until it hits 1%, it's not going to close the trade. Okay, so, and I have multiplier 1, so that means 1% movement may or may not happen depending on the asset. Okay, so okay, I'm going to close this off at, okay, let's just, okay, I don't need this, let's just do this, close out trade. Let's do this. Yes, close it. Let's go. Give me a little bit of money. Okay, boom, we got some money. I'm happy. I got 70 cents. It was about like €2. Okay, not gonna tell you otherwise. Okay, so this was in 19 hours. Okay, less than 24 hours. I'm making some money. I have a small little account going. Okay, I'm gonna rectify this situation with this negative 50. I know it's a Bitcoin. Is doing me bad, but this is where we are. And in the next coming up video, I'm going to show you about the news, as I told you. Do join my Telegram groups. It's great. It's great for trading. I use it. I use the indicators, and I'll start use that even more. So in the next coming up video, I'm bringing out news for you, how to read the news, how to use the charts properly, how to start to place a trade. I'm going to place live trades, and I'm going to close live trades for you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.